All right, so these seal plates were also painted black, and so we're gonna take some paint remover and spray it on there. Definitely got to get my puppy away from here. He can't be breathing this stuff in. Hey, what are you doing? All right, let me get him out of the way, and we'll spray this down real quick. Pesci, I gotta spray this down, dude. Come on, man. Move on. He's got an upset stomach. He got sick this morning, so he's gonna eat on them weeds. Oh, the big puppy's here. Macho's always looking after him, making sure he's okay. He's a good boy, ain't you, Macho? Yeah, you take care of your puppy, don't you? Yeah, you take care of your puppy. Yeah, that good boy. All right, I'm gonna spray this real quick while he's not around it. That's far enough away, I think. All right, so gotta spray it wet, and then get it as it's wet to come off. Oh, I gotta go put my mask on. Yeah. Get it wet. Let me saturate your part and strip it all over. I really probably need to get that Scotch-Brite pad. That works a lot better than that brush, I guess, on those pieces. Anyways, this is yeah, that's the way to do it. Get that Scotch-Brite in there. Yeah, sop that all up. Use that in there. Get it all up in there, and then definitely rinse it, you know, with water and soap and everything in a minute to kind of kill the paint remover from eating through the plastic or anything. Yeah, I really don't know how people try to claim they got the cleanest Foxbody in town, but they've never even scrubbed every single part piece by piece with soap and water. Can you believe that, Pesci? Trying to claim they got the cleanest Foxbody on the planet? Look at this. Has anybody else scrubbed these things down with soap and water? I was kidding, guys. Anyway, let's rinse them down and see what we got. Gotta build that clean Foxbody. You gotta clean it thoroughly if you want to have the cleanest Foxbody in town. I even cleaned the back sides of the kick panels. I got everything clean. And this is just the soap and water. I'm still gonna hit it with brake clean and isopropyl and probably some grease and wax remover, and then I'll probably soap and water it again, and then we'll paint it. And maybe we'll paint tomorrow. The wind has died down right now, so right now would be good for painting if everything was prepped and ready, but of course it's not. What's up, JoJo? Get all the soap off of there.